Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's the end of January 2024 and we have quite a warm spell, so we decided that we were going to do some garden prep to get ready for the spring planting. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're
living the Newcomb life. So as you can see, our garden is a mess.
Yeah.
Our marigolds have died and taken over, and we have lots of weeds, and we've got to pull up the landscape fabric this year because we need to add some amendments. It's been several years since we have pulled up the landscape fabric, and so we have a lot to do. We have some big surprises for you guys this spring.
Yeah.
We're really excited about, so we want to get everything ready so that when it gets warm and we can actually start planting, that we're all ready to go. So come along with us today and see how we clean up the garden and get ready for spring. Well, it has been up on the garden for, what, probably 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, this spot right here is really bad.
But, you know, we could cut it out if we needed the chicken wire for something.
All right, the fence is down. Just gotta secure it and move on to the T-post. Okay, so I don't know how much you guys know about drip tape irrigation, but you just saw me pull my whole drip tape irrigation system right there. I have it all lined up right here. I'm going to go store it so we can set it back up and use it. I'll leave a link to the original video up here and in the description below so you guys can see how we built our drip irrigation system. Super simple. I highly recommend it, and if you put it on a timer, you don't have to worry about watering your garden ever. It's awesome.
So guys, it's getting late. As you can see, we pulled up the landscape fabric from last year, or actually the last couple years. And what we're going to do now, as you can see, the dirt is beautiful underneath. You wouldn't believe the amount of large, juicy worms that are under there, which is fantastic, which is exactly what we want to happen. We have a tarp that we used several years ago. We're going to put it back out again, and this will keep any weeds from growing in our garden area while we wait for spring to come. So right now, Jerry is getting it spread out. I'm going to go help him. We're going to get it all spread out and anchored.
Oops, wrong way. Go that way.
Boy, Gosh, our garden's gotten bigger. I wonder if we should get a piece of something.
It's fine.
Sure.
Put that corner in that corner. And we'll be good.
Maybe start on this side and then pull it tight this way since we're short. We put 3 on each side? How do we do that?
If we only need to put one on each corner, let's do that.
Good.
That ain't going nowhere.
You got that right. You can pull it a little your way if you want.
No. Okay, there we go. Much better. All right, guys, so we are pretty much at our stopping point. We have a lot more videos coming up. Gardening season is right around the corner, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for what's coming up. We have some big stuff coming up, and we hope you like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Come up a little bit more. Back up.
You're trying to get me out of the shot.
Keep going. Keep one more step. One more step. Ready? Okay. So